Did I merge all the color layers and started working on top of it? Hmm. Yeah, that's just a random clip. I just wanted to get your attention. Alright, onto the video. If someone came to me when I was young and told me that there is a way to do most of my lighting and coloring in just minutes, I would be on the edge of my seat screaming, mostly because it's very uncomfortable. And I like to keep bringing that up for sympathy reasons. Well, look at that, he again. What are you gonna do? Here's a We have a line art of a very handsome man. Seriously, cow model level handsome. Firstly, I'll select everything outside the line art, then invert the selection. I contract the selection by 1 pixel to avoid that annoying color bleed. Now I fill the selection with a neutral tone. Next, I slap on a clipping mask. Hold Alt and click between two layers. A clipping mask is like my diaper. They keep all the poo-poo in. Basically, it restricts everything you paint to only show up where it overlaps with the shape below. So even if I paint outside the lines, it won't show. Only the overlapping area stays visible. I start with the base skin color, then create a selection for the eyes, teeth, eyebrows, eyelid, hair, beard, lips, tongues, gums, inside of the mouth, and clothings, each on its own layer. And I clip all these layers to the main base layer. Once all the base colors are in, it's time for the lighting. But first, the absence of lighting, the shadows. I'm making a new selection again to paint the shadows. Of course, all still clipped to the base layer. You might wonder, wait, if that's the shadow, why is it so light? That's because I'll change the blending mode to multiply, or something similar that darkens it. Then I can go in and add all the smaller shadow details the same way. Now things look a little too contrasty, so I add another multiply layer under the first one. Fill the whole thing with same shadow color and drop the opacity. Well, that softens everything and ties it together. But it also darkens the area we already shaded a little too much. So I control click the shadow layer to load its selection and then delete all the parts from the second multiply layer. For highlights, I repeat the same process, this time using the blending modes that lightens. I fill the selection, tweak the shape, and soften any sharp edges where needed. Finally, I'll throw in some reflected light on the hand. And that's pretty much it. How far you take it is up to you. You could even paint over everything for more painterly look. But remember, none of this really works if you don't understand how good lighting actually looks. So make it a habit to study lighting, or at the very least, use solid reference images. Yeah, it's that simple. But now I have to pad the runtime. So here's how to make a banana bread. It's ready. Didn't see that coming, did you? Also, did that AI? Anyway, if you enjoyed the video or learned something, subscribe to my channel, like the video, comment down below what you would like me to do next, and then watch my other videos. Yo, watch. The video is over. I gave you 2 videos in 1 video. Go!